Hi, TT Gold. Hi, Anikes Fashion. Who else has joined? Welcome, welcome. Okay, so we have about 3 minutes to start. So I'm just gonna quickly let everyone know what Instagram Live is all about. Can you hear me? Say yes if you can hear me. Great. Okay. So our Instagram live session is going to be a Q&A session. We're going to talk about personal finance, how to manage your finance in Canada, and then also questions about the Canadian tax system. I know a lot of people don't really know a lot about the Canadian tax system, especially when it comes to running a business. And I think that is the major reason why people are afraid of expanding their business or making it official. I believe a lot of us are running our businesses from home, and so we're just doing it, trying to see how we can grow and expand. So while we're at this stage of trying to figure out what the Canadian tax system is about, I'm going to bring in two experts. One is the Canadian tax, and then Money Redefined. Canadian tax is going to explain to us and let us know what it is, what to expect with regards to running a small business, and also your personal tax. And so it's going to be a Q&A session. Okay, we have about 1 minute here. We're waiting for them to join. Money Redefined and the Canadian tax system. So get your questions ready. If you have any concerns about what kind of tax am I going to pay with the business I'm running, is it a self-employed business? Is it a stay-at-home? Am I a home-based business? What do I do about the tax? Some people, I am confused. I don't know where to start from. So we're going to bring them up soon. Let me see. Okay. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to ask the questions. So let me invite the first speaker. So before I continue, I just want to let you know my name is Nancy. My name is Nancy, and I'm one of the partners of the YYC Business Connect page, and my partner is Lola. We have this platform to connect immigrant-owned businesses in Canada, especially women-owned businesses. We want you to be out there. We want you to get all the resources you need and, to grow and expand your business. And so that's why, if you notice, a few of our sessions started with how to register your business. That's the first thing you need to do once you have registered your business. Then you need to have a structure in place. Now, from when you register your business or when you start operating, you're going to file your taxes. How do you go about it? Okay, so let me welcome Canadian tax system right now. Hi, welcome. So I'm going to invite you to join in, and then we'll start right away. Use personal. Welcome Canadian tax. Welcome everybody. Let's start. Hello. Hi, I can hear you, but I can't see you. You might have to switch your camera. It's gonna get water. Are you in a dark room? Okay. Yes. And then switch your camera. So okay, I'll let you off here. Okay, so she's having a little bit of challenge here. We'll bring her back in. So let me welcome everybody. Liana and Passion. Olusegun, welcome. Jules Personal, welcome everybody. Hello. No. Welcome, Cherry's Food. Welcome, everybody. So we're going to have a Q&A session with the Canadian Tax and Money Redefined. Okay, so just give me one moment here. She is having a challenge. Okay, can anyone see her? Probably it's from my own end. Can anyone see the Canadian Tax? Well, let's give it a minute. Yeah, let's give it a minute. I think it's trying to, yeah, it looks frozen, so it's trying to connect here. Let's give it about a minute to connect. Mhm. Okay. YouTube. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, so no one can see you. Oh, I touched my nose. Okay, so no one can see you. Probably have to start over. Hello, Canadian vendors. Thank you for coming. Hello, Lola. Thank you for joining us. Better, I can see you now. Hi.
How are you?
Finally. I'm good.
How is everybody doing?
Okay,
It's
so
lockdown.
welcome. Yes, so we're going to welcome everybody. Welcome Lola. Lola is a partner with the YYC Business Connect Group. I just want to give a short description. We are a platform to bring our businesses together and help give out resources with regards to growing your business and also promoting your business. So let's go right into it. Tell us about yourself. Let's start with your name. I'm calling you the Canadian Tax. Let's start with your name and tell us what you do.
Okay, so my name is Buki Olanio. I'm a CPA, CPA accountant. So I specialize in tax accounting. I have an accounting practice. The name of my accounting practice is the Canadian Tax and Accounting Services. We do everything, not just taxes, but we do everything from bookkeeping to business registration, business management, and everything like that. But I just love taxation. I just love Canadian taxes, and I see that the information, the proper knowledge of taxation in Canada is lacking because people just look at Canadian tax as filing tax. Like people will wait at the end of the tax season and then say, I want to file. Is the planning aspect of it. Yeah. So basically that's that about me.
Okay. All right. So nice to meet you, Buki. So we are a little bit behind, about 5 minutes behind because we're having another three times. So just want to dive into the questions. Yes, because I know a lot of people have questions about the Canadian tax system. So can you tell us what are the different types of taxes in Canada?
You're cutting off there. But if I get your question correctly, you just want to know about Canadian tax, right?
Yes. So tell us about the different types of taxes in Canada, like the personal income tax and then the business tax.
Okay.
So let's know what it is about and then how to differentiate it.
Okay. So the most common taxes in Canada will be the income tax. So income tax could be personal income tax, which individuals like you may file. Then the business is part of income tax, where you file under. If you're a small business that's not incorporated, you're still under personal income tax. You file under yourself as a person, as an individual. Then we have corporation income tax. But we didn't call it corporation income tax, it's just called corporation tax. So that's for companies that are incorporated in Canada. So we have that. And then we have other small taxes like the capital gains tax. That is the tax you pay when you sell an investment or a property, like a house. Yeah, capital properties, investments like, stocks, bonds, anything. You pay taxes on that. However, there are ways that you can shelter your taxes on your investments that you don't have to pay the capital gains tax immediately, but we can talk about that later. So capital gains are land transfer tax, property tax. There's also excise tax, but the most common ones are the first three, like personal, business, corporation. Those are the most common taxes.
Okay, so let's go down to the personal tax. Now, I think that one is pretty easy. If you're working, your employer gives you your T4, you just file it. That's pretty much straightforward. So you don't have to worry about that, because your employer sends you your T4 at the beginning of the year, right? But the one that is a bit challenging for people are the self-employed. You know what I mean? How do I file my taxes? How do I calculate my taxes as a self? I'm not incorporated, and you mentioned that you're still going to file it under personal income tax, but then you are a self-employed individual. So how do we go about it? And then how do we calculate, okay, this is the tax I'm going to file, and this is how I'm going to file.
Okay, good. So very good question. So as a self-employed person, okay, so some self-employed people are also employed. So let's start from that. Let's assume that you have a full-time employment that you get salaries from, and then you have another business on the side where that we call that one your self-employment. So when you're filing your tax at the end of the year, you will bring your T4 from your salaried employment to your tax accountant, and then you would also bring your income from this business that you have on the side. So, however, the one, like as you said, the one from your employment is straightforward, just the T4, right? But the one from your self-employment, how to calculate that is it's very easy. Like if you're in business to make profits, right? So you're already making profit. Like let's say you're selling pens, for example, you're buying it for $5 and you're selling it for $7. So you just do your calculation. Like, this is my cost. This is everything that has to do with my costs. And this is how I'm selling it. So this is my revenue. This is my costs, then this is my profit. So I'll now bring that $2. So let's say I sold 20,000 pens in the year. So that means I have $40,000 gain from that self-employment, right? So I'm going to bring that 40,000 from that, my business on the side, to the income from my basic employment, and then file the taxes together. However, it's not that complicated as you think, because as a self-employed person, you have a lot of deductions that you can remove from your
like your expenses.
So many, like